If you are a cleaning service business owner looking to book 5 to 10 qualified sales calls a day, we will help you install a simple high converting marketing system so you can close more dream clients, increase your profit margins, and become the go to name in your city. I am going to explain why you are not getting enough leads, your sales calendar is blank, networking and door to door is not working anymore. You are getting a lot of objections like send me a card, let me think about it, etc., which is leading to not meeting sales targets, declining profits, unable to hire or keep your employees, considering shutting down the business, which is really frustrating because you offer an amazing service. You are way better than your competition. You get your clients' results. Whatever you are doing, not working. Here is the truth. It's not because you are doing something wrong. It's because we have entered a new era of marketing where what used to work no longer works. They need multiple reasons to choose you. Business owners and facility managers don't just click an ad and book a cleaning service anymore. They do their research, they compare, they scroll, they wait, they buy the service that feels the most trustworthy. Now, who am I? A website ninja, mom of two, entrepreneur, and the founder of Purna Web. Over the past 15 years, I have helped small business owners turn their struggling online presence into lead generating machines. I have designed websites, built marketing systems, automated workflows, and most importantly, I have helped businesses get clients without the overwhelm. We created a holistic, streamlined lead capturing system that builds trust in the shortest time possible. The lead search single page. This is one of a kind lead generating system that attracts high caliber prospects, educates them on your service to create intent, and leverages simple content strategy that builds trust and authority. Which means lead search single page is the most suitable in today's world. It is the easiest and sustainable way to generate consistent flow of leads every month. Why the lead search single page works. Let's break down why this works so well. Simplicity converts. People don't want to explore your site. They want one clear page with everything they need to decide. Who are you? What do you offer? How is your work? What do I do next? Lead search single page makes that decision easy. Video creates connection. When prospects see a short or a real video of you or your team, they feel like they already know you. This builds trust fast. It's like pre selling without a phone call. Reviews instant credibility. Even a few client reviews create social proof. Prospects think if it worked for others like me, it will work for me too. A strong offer creates urgency. Your limited time offer stops the scroll. Whether it's 15% off for first time cleans or free deep clean with monthly plan, this creates now or never energy. One clear action is equal to more bookings. No confusion, just one button that says book now, call now, get a code, and that's it. No distractions, no leaks, just results. A lead search single page is built for performance. That is mobile fast, fast loading, straight to the point, emotionally persuasive, logically structured to convert strangers into leads. Let's build your system. If you are done with chasing leads, relying on referrals, hearing send me a code, and getting ghosted, and if you are ready to have a marketing system that works, get 5 to 10 quality leads a day, grow your business without burning out, click below to book your free strategy call with me or my team. We will walk you through how we can build your custom lead search single page, and if you're ready, launch your lead search accelerator too. Let's make your business the go-to name in your city.